Are you in? Welcome to Investicore. The bears are gone and the market is charging into 2026. The economic engine is humming and inflation is cooling off. The real game changer. Artificial intelligence. Adoption is exploding worldwide. This is your moment. Ignore the fear. Do your homework. And focus on real, resilient growth stocks. We're talking about companies with real earnings, real products, and double-digit growth. These are the powerhouses building the future, and many are still at attractive entry points. The market is hot, but these champions are just getting started. This is your chance to invest in the next leg of the bull market, long-term generational winners. Grab your notebook, class is in session. Let's dive into the names that could define your portfolio for 2026 and beyond. Meet Nvidia, ticker NVDA, the king of AI. Their GPUs power every major AI breakthrough, driving explosive growth and total market dominance. Revenue is set to soar past $35 billion in Q4 2025. Their CUDA platform locks in developers, building an unbeatable moat. Insiders are buying. EPS growth is projected at 45% plus. Nvidia is best in class, a must-own for the AI age. Next up, Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR, once a secretive government contractor, now a commercial powerhouse. The big story. Commercial revenue is outpacing government contracts. Their AI-driven platforms, Gotham and Foundry, are now essential for Fortune 500's optimizing operations. 38% year-over-year revenue growth, best in class. Palantir is landing major commercial clients, and once they're in, they're hooked. The business is sticky, high margin, and now, consistently profitable. Positive free cash flow marks a new era, no more unprofitable tech criticism. Yes, it trades at a premium, but you're paying for a leader in AI platforms. Alex Karp's visionary leadership has built a product years ahead of competitors. They're not just selling software, they're selling a new way to run organizations. The runway for growth is massive as they bring intelligence-grade AI to the commercial world. The transition from secretive contractor to commercial leader is just beginning. Don't be scared by valuation. Look at the growth, cash flow, and mission. Palantir is now a core growth holding, not just a speculative play. The story is only getting started. Let's talk power. Constellation Energy, ticker CEG. The nuclear renaissance is real, and Constellation is leading it. Data centers and AI need clean, reliable, 24/7 power. Nuclear is the answer. Constellation is the largest U.S. nuclear producer, up 30% YTD, and still gaining steam. Record-breaking earnings and raised guidance for 2026 show management's confidence. Insider buying signals belief in long-term demand from big tech. Their nuclear assets are irreplaceable, decades to build, impossible to replicate. Utilities are being re-rated as growth companies, not just dividend payers. Constellation is a tech, data center, and AI play all in one. Government support and shifting public perception are massive tailwinds. Their pricing power is growing as clean energy demand soars. The moat is huge. Nobody can build new nuclear plants easily. This is a paradigm shift for utilities and energy investing. Earnings are accelerating, insiders are buying, and demand is exploding. Constellation is a core holding for the digital future. It's a buy. Staying in energy, NextEra Energy, ticker NE. The leader in renewables and a growth machine. NextEra combines the stability of Florida power and light with the explosive growth of the nation's largest wind and solar generator. 12% EPS growth in Q4 2025, consistency and execution. Management guides for 6 to 8% annual growth, backed by a 23-gigawatt project backlog. Insiders are buying, showing confidence in the long-term story. The clean energy transition is an economic and environmental necessity. NextEra is positioned to benefit from this multi-trillion-dollar shift. The dividend yields over 3% and is set to grow 10% annually through 2026. Growth and income. NextEra delivers both. They're the go-to partner for companies and states going green. Their regulated utility-based funds, renewables growth. The story is simple. The world needs more clean energy, and NextEra is best in class. Proven track record, massive runway, and shareholder-friendly management. NextEra Energy is a foundational buy. Meet ASML Holding. Ticker ASML. The ultimate monopoly in semiconductor manufacturing. ASML's high-NA EUV machines are the only way to make next-gen chips. No competition, total pricing power. Major orders are rolling in, and Intel already has the first high-NA system. Decades of R&D have built an unbreachable moat. Order books are full, margins are expanding, and profitability is soaring. Insiders are buying, signaling confidence in long-term growth. Projected EPS growth of 25% plus for a mega-cap industrial titan. The valuation is justified. You're buying a true monopoly. ASML is essential to every major tech trend. AI, mobile, high-performance computing. If you believe in the future of tech, you must believe in ASML. It's the toll road for the global tech industry, and the tolls keep rising. ASML is a must-own cornerstone for tech investors. Let's go to Germany. S8, ticker SAP, a legacy software giant transforming into a cloud powerhouse. SAP is moving its massive customer base to the cloud, driving 28% cloud revenue growth in Q4 2025. The shift to subscriptions and recurring revenue is boosting margins and profitability. Management is laser-focused on cloud migration and operating leverage. CEO Christian Klein and top execs are buying shares, real conviction. SAP's valuation is attractive compared to cloud-native peers. Their software is the backbone of global business. Switching costs are huge. Customers are upgrading to SAP's AI-infused cloud platform to future-proof operations. This is a classic old tech to new tech transformation, like Microsoft's Azure pivot. The market is catching on, the numbers are undeniable. Cloud growth is real, margins are expanding, and management is all in. SAP is a European tech champion at a reasonable price. The moat is deep, the audience captive, and the runway long. SAP is a buy. Last but not least, Vertiv Holdings, ticker VRT, the ultimate picks and shovels play for the data center and AI boom. Vertiv makes the cooling and power systems that keep billion-dollar data centers running. 35% organic growth, pure demand for their products. AI chips run hot, and Vertiv's advanced cooling is essential. Order books are full, and management keeps raising guidance. Hyperscalers and enterprises are scrambling for Vertiv's solutions. Insiders are steadily buying, signaling confidence in a multi-year demand wave. Projected earnings growth of 25% plus, with potential for upside surprises. Vertiv was overlooked, but now the thesis is clear. They're critical to the AI infrastructure build-out. This is a pure play on the physical backbone of the digital world. Growth is real. Guidance is strong, and insiders are buying. Vertiv is a fantastic way to play the AI revolution from a different angle. It's a monster stock in the making. That's a whirlwind tour of the market's most powerful growth stories. AI, energy, infrastructure, and more. These companies are building the future, but this isn't a buy list. Do your own homework. Dig into the reports, understand the risks, and make sure any stock fits your goals. Don't buy just because you heard it here. Buy because you believe in the story. These are proven compounders with real earnings and dominant positions. They deserve a spot on your watch list for the decade ahead. The bull market is here, and the opportunities are real. Now get out there, do your homework, and get in the game. Booyah!